You've come to the correct location if you want to remove call history on iPhone. Here we introduce 3 easy ways to delete all of your history or a single call on your iPhone. Part 1. How to delete call history on iPhone directly. For individual call logs. 1. Use the left sliding menu. Launch the phone app from your iPhone and select recent calls from the menu. Find the contact you want to delete and then swipe left to delete it from the call history. 2. Use editing options. Launch the phone app from your iPhone and select recent calls from the menu. Next, click the Edit Select button. Find the contact you want to delete in the call history, and then click the button to confirm deletion. Click on the trash can symbol. For all call logs, open the phone app on your iPhone and choose Recent Calls. Click Edit, and then choose Select. Tap on Clear. A window will pop up on the screen saying Clear all recent records. Click this option to confirm. Part 2. How to delete call history and other useless data on iPhone. If you want to permanently erase call history and other private data on iPhone, you should choose a professional erasing tool. In view of this, we now introduce to you the powerful Mobican eraser for iOS. How do you wipe an iPhone without the password permanently? Download and install Mobican eraser for iOS on your computer. Connect iPhone via USB. Click Erase to access the erasing window. Select Medium for security level. Choose erasing mode. We recommend Medium. Enter Delete and press Erase to confirm.